Royal Mob is a Sky History series about Queen Victoria's family tree, which focuses on her four favourite granddaughters, the Hesse sisters. She was the late Queen Elizabeth II's and the late Prince Philip's great-great-grandmother. As their eldest son King Charles III awaits his coronation, historian Miranda Carter and showrunner Tom Stuberfield compared his reign with Queen Victoria's. Royal Mob was the term Victoria used to describe her family, which consisted of 9 children, 42 grandchildren and 87 great-grandchildren. Historian Miranda Carter, who was part of the show Royal Mob, opened up to Express.co.uk and other media about the monarch's 60-year reign and the First World War which followed. She explained, "I think the thing about her is her extraordinary, forceful personality, as you can tell. And one of the reasons for this was that she basically thought she was never wrong." Strictly's Hamza Yassin faces finale blow as experts spots habit that dated back to when she first became queen, when Shed had this childhood, where her mother sort of basically tried to sort of suppress her, and bring her up so that she'd be submissive. When she became queen at the age of 18, she suddenly had all this power, and Miranda claimed she refused to ever be wrong about anything. In the latest episode of the 4-part series, viewers follow how her relatives caused the First World War several years after she died. When her nephew Wilhelm II declared war on Russia, the Hesse sisters were forced to take sides. As war broke out, the British royal family changed its surname from Saxe-Coburg-Gotha to Windsor. Of the 3 royal families which went to war, only the Windsors survive now. Comparing the First World War to the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, Miranda said, "The key thing about it is that one person can cause a lot of damage. It's very hard to do good as one person, unfortunately, but it's very easy to unpick things." Queen Victoria branded a bully over brutal treatment of children. Exclusive: The Crown slammed for betraying Netflix viewers. Exclusive: We fact-check the Crown's Prince Charles and John Major meeting scene. Latest: You can definitely see in Putin's invasion of Ukraine, kind of an idea about the Russian Empire that goes straight back to the Tsars, no question. You know, this idea that they ought to be present in Eastern Europe, that it's their right. Showrunner Tom added, "There's definitely a parallel between our story 100 years ago, and what's going on today." They were asked how King Charles and his family's portrayal in Season 5 of The Crown compares with Royal Mob, which is a docu-series with reenactments rather than a Netflix drama. Tom was asked if he was worried the audience might not believe the facts in Royal Mob. He replied, "It doesn't concern me. We feel we've done all the due diligence we could possibly do. So no, it's not a concern for me." Miranda, who studied at the University of Oxford, added, "I hope it makes people feel like they trust what they're watching." Royal Mob episodes are available to watch on Sky History.